Did you see who we just signed up?
I don't know. Who is it?
Santa Claus Workshop North Pole.
Wow, we've been after them for a while, right?
It's crazy to say it, but Santa will be using Populi as his student information system.
Yeah, I guess the jolly old elf will be managing his workshop training program in Populi.
Rudolph's dad will be watching our videos.
I still don't think Santa is Rudolph's dad, but I guess that's just me.
But why now? We've been after them for a while. What changed?
They probably just heard about a new feature and that convinced them.
Maybe, but I think you take that with Cyrus just started working here and he has certain features.
I don't think I'm following.
He looks elfin to me.
You're saying Cyrus, the new guy, is a Christmas elf?
I'm not 100%. I also saw him working on something at his desk. It looked like a toy, a fun toy.
Like in the office?
Yeah, I'm not saying it's absolutely certain, but for lunch every day, he eats an entire gingerbread house.
I mean, there's no question about that, but so does Brendan.
No, you're right. There's nothing definitive. I don't know, maybe I'll find out more on the training call.
Oh, you're training Santa?
And one of his colleagues on Zoom. Santa, I have to say, I'm sorry. I'm a big fan of you, your work, presence, the whole thing.
You know what, Josh? It's mutual. I'm actually a big fan of you.
Oh.
I've watched a lot of your videos, and I really like the bunkum you get up to.
Oh, wow. Bunkum. That means a lot. Hey, is there any chance that I could get you to just adjust your camera a little bit?
No, what was that? You cut out.
You're just a little kind of off kilter there.
Oh, here's Dander joining us. He's the head elf.
Hey, glad to be here. Get a little break during the busy season.
Hi, Dander. Can you adjust your camera at all?
This is as low as it goes. Well, it's a shock, but I'm small.
No problem. Dander, I can't shake this, but the top half of your face looks so familiar.
I just have one of those foreheads.
Sounds like you guys have already maybe seen some of the videos and stuff. So you've already had a chance to kind of get a look around Populi.
Yeah, we'd like to see some of the new stuff, actually. Anything from the last year.
Great. So let's do biggest changes in 2025. We beefed up our anti-cheating features. That's all of our new test integrity stuff.
Nice. We like surveillance.
Oh, cool. Anyway, on an online test, you can require full screen. A student or an elf has to be in full screen mode in order to enter any kind of test answers. So if they leave that, we log whenever they're not in full screen mode.
Oh, all right.
Then we have track, copy, and paste. We log anytime a student pastes in text. So students or elves can't grab answers from another source and drop them in here without you knowing about it. We can also use students' webcams to monitor their work. At frequent but random intervals, the webcam snaps a picture and you review those pictures after they submit their tests.
Looks great, but I'm not sure how much we'll use it.
Oh, I thought you guys were into surveilling students.
Oh, we are, and Santa is on top of it.
What's that?
I think he's referring to he sees you when you're sleeping, but this is more like he sees you when you're cheating, that kind of thing. I basically proctor every test without even thinking about it. You know what would be fun, actually? I bet I could get ChatGPT to generate a really great Christmas song about cheating. I'll get on there.
Right. No, that makes sense. Sorry, that slipped my mind. Next feature, and I don't know how applicable this one will be for you guys, but we have a beta feature. That's the course market. The course market lets you sell courses through the bookstore. So those are courses that would work in a slightly different way than your standard admissions and registration process.
What does that mean?
It means the courses are listed in the bookstore as though they're items, and students can add them to their cart, pay for them, and then get access to the course. If that's something we're interested in, we can just contact support and ask them to turn on that beta feature.
Yeah. Dander, that's actually, I'm not seeing that that's turned on for you guys yet, but you seem very familiar.
Oh, yeah, I probably just saw the video about that.
I don't think we've made a video about that. Maybe release notes?
Oh, yeah, definitely on the release notes.
Okay. Is Course Market something that you'd actually use? I can't imagine that you're really a for-profit kind of operation.
I don't know. We could offer a course, something like board game design or reindeer husbandry, child surveillance, global logistics, and we could just charge folks a pittance.
Just out of curiosity, what would a course like that run someone?
Yeah, what would you think these days, Dander?
Oh, probably like 10 candy canes.
Oh, and you guys have a candy cane based monetary system up there at the North Pole.
Oh no, we just call dollars candy canes. He's being a cut up.
Yeah, and you might notice that $10 is crazy cheap.
Yeah, that would be cheap for a course, but I guess it's better than 5 candy canes. Next feature, library self-checkout.
Self checkout, huh? Sounds like a mirror.
That's good. That's a good one, Santa.
Yeah.
Library self-checkout is a new feature this year. All you need is some kind of device.
Lots of folks use a tablet.
Right, a tablet, that's right. And then you hook up a scanner and you can have students check out books or other materials on their own.
That's interesting. So we could have a tablet students check stuff out on, all on their own.
Yes, exactly.
One of the biggest changes we made this year was notifications. And this is one that neither of you would have any reason to know about because it happened before you even signed on. So it's always been this way as far as you're concerned. We've had alerts forever, but they lived on the front page of Populi, and you didn't have a lot of options to control those. Our changes to notifications put all of those up in the right-hand corner of Populi, so they're visible throughout the software. We added the ability to dismiss or snooze notifications. So you want to know that there are a lot of whatever new applications coming in, but you don't need to be constantly aware of that. Then you can have more options about what you're seeing.
That keeps the notification from just becoming white noise. So there's less of a chance that you zone out and ignore them.
Yeah, that's exactly so, Dander. Hey, listen, guys, I don't think you need me here. You've got Dander. Let's just let him do the training.
He sure catches on quick. That's why he's my head elf. Anything else, Dander? Oh, I mean, Josh.
Yeah. Do you guys take federal aid?
We're a Title IV school participating in the federal aid program.
Oh, even though you're not in the States?
No, they make an exception. Let's just say the Department of Education is all on the nice list. Their stockings are full of candy canes.
Got it. We've released a financial value transparency and gainful employment report that's in financial aid under reporting. That report speeds up your review of the relevant data required by FVT GE regulations and provides exports formatted for the SEG and NSLDS submittals.
It makes reporting so much nicer and faster.
All right. That's all I've got, guys. Anything else you'd like to look at?
This is all great. Dander?
I'm good.
Great. Santa, it's been an honor. Dander, I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow. So the training went well.
Are you asking me or telling me?
I wouldn't tell you anything you didn't already know.
Well, what do I know?
I think you know.
That's what you think.
I think you know better.
No better than what?
Better than to try to be smart.
And it would be smart to play dumb. Is that what you're asking me to do?
I'm not asking.
So you are telling.
Can't you tell?
Shut up, dander.
All right. Now you've made my list, Josh.
What list is that?
The list of people that know I'm an elf. It's not that big of a deal, really. Here. I made you this.
I love it. I want to try it out right now.
Yeah. You just gotta promise to be careful. Wouldn't want to hurt the old moneymaker. Don't forget about the big hole.